How are we going today, folks? Welcome to the workshop. Just a bit of a word on abuse, abusive relationships, abusive situations. This is a Rochester Quadrajet, as you can tell, and it has come in for an overhaul. It's on a 308 Holden, was a 1-tonner, is now I believe a 2.6 tonner, 6-wheel conversion. Anyway, reason for the video, abuse. People out there need to just calm the farm when they're tightening down air cleaners. So on a Quadrajet, obviously this sits on top of there. The air cleaner stud goes down through here into here. It's screwed into the intermediate section, the main body of the carburetor. Now that doesn't go through to the base, and that basically means that this section here is what's holding the lid on your air filter. It only needs to go so tight. If it doesn't go tight enough, or you think it's going to come undone, or it does come undone, put a spring washer on it, put a locking nut on it, like a nylock or something, or something that bottoms out and clamps down. This carburetor here has to go in the press, for God's sake. You can probably make out there, just at this end, there's probably easily about 3 mil of rock through there, and that is all from being reefed up on that stud. So when your air cleaner sits on top of here, this clamps down on top. It's just the stud just passes directly through here, so there's no thread or anything in here, and it's just pulling straight up on that. Because the Rochesters only have 3 fixing screws on the base, there's nothing to, not that it should need it, there's nothing to reinforce it, using the strength of the base, so it just pulls up on this body and bends the shit out of it. So you can tell this section here where the air flap goes in, the air flap's normally about half the thickness of this ruler, and I can fit the ruler in there because that's all opened up from being bent. So yeah, just go easy on these things. This is not the worst one I've found. I did find one that was probably popping up about 3 or 4 millimeters in the middle. It almost looked like someone had tried to lift the engine by the bloody thing. But yeah, now this has got to go in the press, and I've got to, take the chill off it and just gently press it down until she goes flat again. Same with the lid. The lid, side to side across there is not so bad, but front to back, you can see that gap in there. Now that's huge, and this is going to create air leaks. These all these air correctors in the lid here need to be hard up against here so that it creates the passage and forms just one passage. So yeah, go easy, folks, go easy. Don't have to be abused like this. It's just nuts. So anyway, just a quick one today. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. See ya.